With the police, I tell you to get away. That's right. Maybe he's in that mood. I would say you're new. When you come back, he might be in the mood to speak with you. He's all right. There's no. He's fine. He is fine. I check him. There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is the Holy Spirit, the Spirit of the Most High God that is speaking. That's right. And then my God, He said, the children of His that try to feed the sheep. So how comes that? A brother gets up to feed the sheep, and then the devil says he was not feeding the sheep. How is that, Doc? Somebody is cooking food out to feed the sheep out of kindness, out of good heart, and then the devil gets up and says, no, you're gonna have to get the paper for that. Even though with the paper out, you cannot feed the sheep out. That is abuse, that is bully, that's right. You cannot deprive the world, you cannot deprive the people out. This is not you who make this art, I warn you out. So if my father's children get up to do the work of the Most High God, and if any devil, I said, if any devil gets up to put a hand at it, there is going to be no peace on the earth. There will be death and destruction. That's that. I tell you that because it's the work of God. That's right. And if you're not feeding the people out, the people will die out. And you're not feeding the people out, somebody gets up to feed the people out. You want to stop them up? That is bully and abuse is against the law of anything. That's right. You're going to stop that. You're going to let the people get fed. That's right. And if not so, my God is going to give you his right. That's right. Hollywood is gone, like we say, and this is Holy Spirit that is speaking. That's right. I'm out. I say, if you try to deprive the people out, you will not get peace. You will get flooded. You will get your landslide. You will get lava will pour out. People will die out. I warn you out. Keep your hands out of the dirty, filthy hands. I mean,
my solution for a homeless man is to help them. I've come out today with some food to try and help them.
Good.
To try and help them.
I got taken off the council list, and I've been over 8 years for people like him. He's just said he's got a house. I didn't get one. I have to pay £1,000 a month.
That's good on you. That's good on you.
No, it's not.
Of course, it's good on you.
Why should that arsehole get a house?
That's good on you. Why not?
Why?
Why shouldn't
not?
everyone
Why?
be housed? Why shouldn't everyone be
Because
housed?
there should be a list.
Why?
There we go. 1, 2, 3. There we go. This is the Holy Spirit, the Spirit of the Most High God that is speaking. That's right. And then my God, He said, the children of His that try to feed the sheep. So how comes that? A brother gets up to feed the sheep, and then the devil says he was not feeding the sheep. How is that, Doc? Somebody is cooking food out to feed the sheep out of kindness, out of good heart, and then the devil gets up and says, no, you're gonna have to get the paper for that. Even though with the paper out, you cannot feed the sheep out. That is abuse, that is bully, that's right. You cannot deprive the world, you cannot deprive the people out. This is not you who make this art, I warn you out. So if my father's children get up to do the work of the Most High God, and if any devil, I said, if any devil gets up to put a hand at it, there is going to be no peace on the earth. There will be death and destruction. That's that. I tell you that because it's the work of God. That's right. And if you're not feeding the people out, the people will die out. And you're not feeding the people out, somebody gets up to feed the people out. You want to stop them up? That is bully and abuse is against the law of anything. That's right. You're going to stop that. You're going to let the people get fed. That's right. And if not so, my God is going to give his right. That's right. Hollywood is gone, like we say, and this is Holy Spirit that is speaking. That's right. I'm out. I say, if you try to deprive the people out, you will not get peace. You will get flooded. You will get your landslide. You will get lava will pour out. People will die out. I warn you out. Keep your hands out of the dirty, filthy hands. I mean, out of the children's. That's right. Who pluck the people's family and divide and conquer. That's right. We do not want these things. We want father with their unite children together as one. That's right. We do not want you to deprive the father from the mother, or deprive the mother from their son or daughter. That's right. We do not want you to put your hands out where it doesn't belong. We want you to leave the family of God to rise out. So if you try to deprive the children of God, you will face death and destruction. That's right. I warn you out. Peace. That's right. That's the message I want you to post that anywhere, Star, because this is the truth. That's right. We cannot hide it.
Yes, people, first and foremost, I just want to say thank you to everyone that has been a part of this journey, that is sharing the support in regards to the situation that has just happened. I appreciate each and every one of you. There has been so much comments that I haven't been able to go through all the comments yet, everybody here, so just bear with me. I'm taking my time and I'm going through them, but keep on sending through the support, and anyone that can help in any which way, just please do. Please contact me. Please continue sending the message to them, because I'm going through them very, very slowly. Over the weekend, just now from Friday, I stayed in Crawley for 48 hours overnight. It was absolutely peak. You understand? I camped out for 2 days with the homeless. So look out for that video as well. And that's why I've been so busy, because I was literally had to go out of the area of Croydon, and I was out in West Sussex people here for a couple of days, cooking and feeding the homeless there. So big up yourself people here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. There's a bit more information on it people here, so just stay tuned, just keep liking, keep sharing the video people here, and let's get this this ban lifted up people, yeah, and let's keep this journey going. We have 1 million people to feed. Humanity is important. One love everybody, yeah. Our good vibes. I'm forced here today people, yeah, to literally, I have to be cooking, I have to be continuing on the mission, and I have to be feeding the people. So I'm forced here to, today's a day on a Friday, I'll be out, I'll be cooking, and I'll be giving the people them in Croydon from around the market, through the town centre, just walking through and giving them their food people, yeah. But I'm here in Crawley today. I've got my ingredients right there on the bag. There's some homeless people there behind me as well already. They've banned me from Croydon people, yeah. I'm not allowed to be there with the shopping trolley. Antisocial behaviour. If you're watching this video, support this video, push the cause people, yeah. Let's keep going. We need to get a van, everybody, yeah. We need to get some form of wheels so that we can be on the road and just be up and down and continue on this mission, everybody, yeah. It is very difficult at the moment, because even just the natural getting up and yes, I'm gonna head out to Croydon. I've got the process, I've got the routine, everything was already structured and planned, but I have to make amendments and continue on the mission straight away, because there's nobody else there to continue on if I don't continue on people, yeah. We are assigned to the mission people, yeah, and I need you guys' support to help us to get a van. There's a GoFundMe on the link of this video. Try and support it guys if you can, and wherever you are, you understand, and that will aid us quickly. We're pushing towards getting some mobility on the road people, yeah, and continue on the mission effectively. Good vibes. So today I'm here in Crawley, you understand. I'm gonna start cooking. Good vibes people, big up yourself, you understand. So today I got I'll show you the ingredients then. Got a whole load of ingredients, you understand. You understand. So at the same time people, yeah, Good Vibes said we look out for the video, you understand. We're gonna be cooking and just giving back to the local community here in Crawley people, yeah. Parkside right there, sir. Queensway right there, sir. You understand?
I was living up now to be a grown-up. I, the Holy Spirit, that's right. Me, that's right. The right hand of Emmanuel, that's right. I can crucify. If you want. I will never die. I want you out. If the noise is too loud, it's because the Holy Spirit is on the eye.
Yes, people. So yeah, man, we're here in Crawley, and we've got some blessed people right here in the community of Crawley people, yeah. So yeah, man, big up yourself. One love to each and every one of you. We're outside. It's a very, 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 very wet day today. You understand? So hopefully it doesn't tumble down on us and we get some salvation of dryness. So the rain is actually stopped at the moment. So hopefully it doesn't continue. You understand? But worst case scenario, we've got over there underneath the shop plaza there, and that's to just keep us dry for a little while. There's a bandstand over there. I'm sure we could get some shelter in there as well, everybody, yeah. So yeah, man, so our good vibes. Big up yourself. So regardless of the rain, there's still means and ways to go around it and keep everything going. You understand? One love to each and every one of you. Big up everybody from Croydon the same way. One love to everybody all around the world watching. We're there, the mission continues, everybody here, they can't stop the thing, and we have to keep going. That is it. No matter if they've issued out this thing here, let's keep going people here, let's keep pushing. Like I said, anybody that knows of anyone or can help me in moving forward with the restriction what they've put up, you understand? If you do know, send me a message people here. if you can help in regard to the situation of what's going on as well, everyone, yeah, big up yourself, good vibes.
With the police, I tell you to get away. That's right. Maybe he's in that mood. I would say you're new. When you come back, he might be in the mood to speak with you. He's all right. There's no. He's fine. He is fine. I check him out. That's me. I check him out. I tell you to give the word. He's fine now. He might just be feeling down. That's right. And he might not like people push him out. I don't push him out myself. I don't push him out. I don't try to piss him off because I know being homeless is very harsh. I was homeless for 6 months, lady. No, he is fine. He is fine. He is fine. Nothing happened. He is just fine. He just wants to be left alone. If you can understand that, he is completely all right. He is all right, but he needs help to be getting out of the streets. I won't tell you that until he tells you that. But don't pester him around because he's a homeless man and don't have any. I will deal with that later, sir. That's right. Pick you up. That's right.
Thank you.
Bless you up. Have a good day. Don't try to pester him off, okay? Just leave him alone, sir. Jesus Christ.
So what's happening here? Tell me what's happening.
He's a homeless guy. That's a homeless man.
Yes.
And the lady is a new lady. That's right.
Right.
He's just trying to get the attention of the guy, and the guy is not ready to speak with him. And I said, don't pester him, alright? He's a homeless man. You either take him out of the street, so don't try to check him out every now and then, sending new people to come and pester him off.
Right.
Just leave him alone, because
Right.
that's what they do. They send new guy, new face,
Yeah.
to pester him off. She's introducing me herself that she's new.
Yes.
That's how they get to break somebody up.
Yes.
So let him just go. Let her just go and leave him alone. That's right.
Yeah.
Because he's alright. He's fine. Nothing's wrong with him. He's alright. He's a homeless man. If you
Yes.
give him a house to sleep in, he probably not. You know what I mean?
Yes. So he don't want to talk. He don't
want to talk to him. He don't want to talk to her.
Yeah.
So let her not just pester him off like she's trying to check him out.
Yeah.
But she's really not. She's pestering him.
Yes.
Off.
Yes.
Give him a house to sleep in
Yes.
instead of trying to come and check him out every now and then.
Yes.
If he's gonna smoke weed, he's smoking in this house. Give
Yes.
him a house to smoking and not come and check him out outside like that.
Yes.
That's what I said.
Yes.
It's bullshit. That's right.
You hear what's happening? And I'm just in Crawley, people, yeah. And remember, they banned me from Croydon, and I'm here in another community. Support the mission, people, yeah. We're out. There's a lot of homeless people out in different communities. As I've come here in Crawley, I've here before.
Why do you find it so difficult to answer the question? Should they be there, yes or
If you
no?
have any issues, you can report this to 101
Why
or
would-
to the front desk.
We
Give
have
him a
done.
house to sleep in.
We have
I
done.
said,
Okay,
if you give
that's
this
fine.
gentleman a house
See,
to
look
sleep
at
in,
this.
he wouldn't come and sleep outside.
Why
He
should
got
we give him a house?
If you help him a house to
Why
sleep
should
in,
we give him a
because
house?
he's not working, he's
Neither
still
am
living
I.
in
I
here.
don't get a house.
I'm getting a house because
You're
look,
getting a house.
I'm a homeless
you,
man. Listen.
You have refused to answer. Why are you here? Right, that's a question. Right, no, right, now listen to
Put
me.
your voice down.
No,
I will explain.
right, no, listen, let me explain this.
There's
Why
old
do you
man
have to
who's
go at me
entitled
when
to
he's
sleep
the one
outside like
shouting and
this,
screaming at
coming
both of
out
us?
like this.
So you tell me why he's allowed to come up to me and abuse me. Right, I'm going to ask you one last time, I'm going to go to the police for this. Should they be there abusing people in the street?
He needs a house to sleep in, a house,
Should they
that's
be
right,
there
a room to
abusing
sleep
people
in,
the
help him
street?
out,
Yes
please.
or no, from the police point of view?
Nobody
Thank you,
should
thank
be
you,
abused.
thank
Nobody
you.
should be abused.
So why aren't you moving them on?
Nobody deserves to be
Why
abused.
aren't you moving them on then?
Give him a house to sleep in,
That's
that's
abuse.
right.
No, we're not giving everyone a free
Of
house.
course, they deserve no,
No, that's cheeky.
It's a child of
Why
God,
don't
that's
you
right.
stop this?
That's a
Why
child
don't you
of
stop
God, it's a
this?
human being, that's right.
No, not sir.
Everybody's entitled
You
to something,
don't
right?
explain to
Help
me
him
why
out.
I'm being abused and you've let them just stay there. You've not told them to move on.
What happened? If
Right,
you've been
right,
abused,
no,
you
right,
can
right,
report
right,
it.
right. One last time.
Abused.
This is the police in this
I'm
country.
just saying,
This is the
if
police in this
you've been
country.
abused,
I'm going to ask you
can
one last.
report
Listen,
it.
I'm going to ask you one last time. I'm going to ask you. Why don't you listen to me? One last time. What's your name? One last time. One last time. Listen to that
If
man.
the man have a house to
Listen,
sleep in,
that's
you
abuse.
can go to his address and
So
check
do
him out.
something
Give the
about
man
it. Do
a
your
house
job.
to sleep in, that's right.
Do
If
your
somebody got a
damn
house,
job.
he would be out in the street sleeping out.
They shouldn't be getting free houses, just turn up. You shouldn't be
A
there.
house,
You shouldn't be
living in
abusing
an address,
people in the
get a job,
streets.
that's right.
And you shouldn't be
Yes.
ignoring the
They
police.
need a help, that's right. If
Don't
he's
have
in
a
big
go at
house,
us.
you wouldn't- that
Welcome
was
to
like a big
Crawley,
room,
everyone.
like
And the
house, a
police
homeless
did
man
nothing
too.
for me.
And I was
They haven't
investing, I
got
was
me
getting
for
help
telling
from
them to
the
move on.
government.
It's a joke.
Excuse me, could you just Could you just explain?
all
Could you
shouldn't be here.
just explain what's
Yeah,
going on?
I'm going to explain what's going on.
Yeah, explain to
You
me.
homeless people shouldn't be there. You should not be screaming at people in the street for houses that we don't have to give you. We should be able to walk past our own street without being abused. But no. Why is that guy shouting everybody?
Are you homeless, sir?
Why? I don't give a fuck. He shouldn't be here.
Okay.
He doesn't give a- I was on the council list and taken off the people like him to get houses.
Where should he be?
He just said he's got a house.
Where should he be?
Not here.
But where though? Where?
Not right.
I'm asking
Okay,
you
no,
where,
no,
innit? I'm
right?
asking you where,
So
innit?
because
Where should he be?
So because he
I'm
shouldn't
asking you where should he be?
So
Where should he
because-
be?
No, listen.
Go on.
Because he shouldn't be here illegally, standing in the street, living. That's my problem, is it? So
No, I'm not saying it's
where
your
he should
problem.
be, not there.
But
And
where?
It's not up to me
What's
to
the
put him
solution?
anywhere.
What's the solution?
It's his problem.
What's the solution?
What? We have to give him a house.
No, just like how you said
No,
we
what's
shouldn't
your
be.
solution?
Just like
what's
how.
your solution?
Just
then?
like how.
What's your solution?
Let me speak.
No, what's your
Okay,
solution?
just like how you.
What's your solution
Just
for
like
a
how.
homeless man?
Just like how you said.
What's
just like
your
how,
solution for
my
a homeless man?
My solution for a homeless man
Is what?
Is to help them. I've come out today.
Right, so-
I've come out today with some food to try and help them.
Good.
To try and help
I
them.
got taken off the council list, and I've been over for 8 years for people like him. He's just said he's got a house. I didn't get one. I have to pay £1,000 a month.
That's
for
good on you.
benefits.
That's good on you.
No, it's not.
Of course it's good on
Why
you.
should that arsehole get a house?
That's
Why?
good on you. Why not?
Why?
Why shouldn't
not?
everyone
Why?
be housed? Why shouldn't everyone be
Because
housed?
there should be a list. and
Why
people
shouldn't
should
everyone
on the
be
list,
housed?
and
Why
they
shouldn't
should
everyone
wait.
be housed?
They should wait.
Everyone
They
deserves
should
to
wait.
live
They
with
should
a
wait.
roof over their head,
Not
with
people
hot
that don't
water.
contribute shouldn't. No, they shouldn't.
Everyone should.
No, they shouldn't.
Everyone should.
You lot should not be there.
Everybody's
they know
going
it.
through crisis,
Right,
and
fine.
everybody's going through crisis in life, sir.
Right, and we're not on the streets in that corner. We're not on the streets in that corner. So what? All right.
mental health is an issue as well.
Yes,
Mental
and
health
mine
is
too.
mental
But
health
do
is
I
an
sit in
issue
the
as
corner
well.
and beg? Do I sit in the corner
Mental
and beg?
health is an
Do
issue.
I sit in a corner and beg?
I don't know what you do, sir,
No. So why do they do it?
because that's the option they have.
Yeah, but I have the option to do that, but I choose not to.
You was
I
more
choose
strong
not
willing.
to.
You was more
Oh,
strong willing. You was more strong willing.
Everyone's
You was more
got an
strong willing. You was a
excuse to be a
stronger
scumbag.
mindset. You was a man. You was a stronger
Well,
mindset.
give a stronger
You was a,
mindset.
that's why we're out here to help individuals. You was a stronger mindset. You was a,
Still talk normally, so you talk.
you was a stronger mindset.
Stuff like that, it shouldn't be happening.
Couple of minutes ago,
And
you
you've
talked.
done nothing.
Couple of
Let's tell him
minutes
to
ago.
again. Tell him to keep away from me. Tell him to keep away from me. Tell him now to keep away from me.
This is your
Tell him to keep away
That
from
is
me.
that is one of them people who set me up and get me out of my house. That's one of them. Who used to be my neighbor, that's right. He's a devil, that's right. That one is a devil. He used to be my neighbor, that's guy. We used to say hi every time.
Yeah.
Beside me, my house in Eiffel, he used to live, that's right. I never know that he's a devil. He hate black people so much. He used to be my neighbor, that's right. And wait, let me finish. The police, they come to my door. They pick me out of my home where he used to be my neighbor at. You see my neighbors, they're coming out. You see them? They're all coming out, that's right. He used to be my neighbor. Now he's telling the police to get me out of his side. The police attacked me out in my own home, pick my children from me, my wife and that. He knows all about it. He never say hi when he see me out here. He see me fighting for my brother, goddammit. He used to be my neighbor, that's right. So I said, those who set me up and get the police come at me and attack me out, he was one of them.
You weren't here 20 minutes ago when they started. No, I have. I've got a video of it. You go the fuck away.
No.
But you're being
Stop with
abuseful
this
now.
point,
You're
because
being-
I will
you're being
call.
abuseful
I will
now.
call
Good.
for support in a minute.
Good.
If
What,
you
on
keep
me?
Yes, if you keep going.
Right, I'm coming.
If you keep
Come
going.
with me, we're going to the police station.
No. You keep going. You keep going. It's fine. But I will call. I will call.
Opposite, I would say opposite in passing, me personally, the homelessness in this town here, it's not very bad because there's lots of places you can get help, I would say, yeah. But those places that you should get help, sir, there's some individuals, they have to consider them first before they say, sorry ma'am, or sorry sir, we cannot help you out. Especially the youngsters, yeah, who have a great future in their hands. And whatsoever happens, you can say I would hesitate for the old man, but for the youngster who has the power to change their heart, help him out, get him back on his feet. Everybody needs help, I say. Even the young baby who's born just yesterday. So if you see a man like this out in the streets, he does not appreciate his life or don't. He does his best to keep it clean, you can see that. But he needs a place, that's right. I've been homeless, I know what it feels like. Have you ever been homeless before? Homelessness is bad. You cannot clean yourself out. You cannot change your clothes up. You are out in the streets. The wind is blowing you up. People are looking at you. You feeling that inside your veins. All recognize you now. You're the homeless man. That's right. You know why I wear my crown? Because I was homeless myself. I was sleeping out here. There were 3 of us. Him, this guy over there, sleeping over there. Me, sleeping under the shop. and this guy, he is sleeping behind. That's
So
right.
where do you stay now?
Me
Where
is
do you
the
stay?
charity. That's the reason why I said
Okay.
there's a places that they can help you out. They can give you clothes. You can wash yourself
That's
out.
good.
But
That's good.
but if the government of the British United Kingdom says
Kingdom.
if you committed a crime like this, we can put you in prison once. If you got yourself out in the streets, we cannot help you out. I said that is not applied for everybody. It's certain people that they pick. I said especially this guy. He was one of those that they pick because he might not be one with a documentary.
Fortunately, guys,
But
it's
being
more
out in the streets,
complicated
being
with-
out in the streets this long, he has been out in the streets I said,
understand.
for nearly 4 years. I said he got a future in his hands. He gonna get married someday, go to university, go to college. What you cannot do is sleeping out in the streets. Whose address is this? Where's gonna go apply for your job and they give him a job like? He's not gonna work. He's gonna have to be a beggar. That's right. But if you pick him up, clean him up, the same guy you pick up and help and clean you up, the same guy will come and help you back. That's right. Keep a man
I'm
down.
not promise.
We will all
I'm
stay
not-
down.
I can't promise
We
that.
want to go up. That's where we want to
I
go
can't
up.
really give any promises, but I will
But
speak. I
for
will
now,
discuss with my colleagues.
for now, don't worry about. But this guy, yeah. If you go to the station, I said, if you go to the station, you're a new guy. Just tell them that dreadlock guy in the streets, yeah, the black guy. What is his name? They all know his name in there because they all check him out here. That's right.
No, I will
He's been
discuss
in and
with my
out of that
colleagues.
place many times. They arrest him out many times as well, and he had enough. That's right. He had enough. And any more out on that, there would be nothing good that is gonna come back for those who come at it. That's right.
Yeah.
Because they come at me too. That's right. And I draw the line, build the walls up. If they add it up, I put the volume up. Only bad things will come out. That's right. Because that's how you deal with them people out. You're gonna have to have a power in your hand to use that. That's right. If you have no power in your hand, they will kill you out. If I wasn't got no power in my hands, I'm dead. They can try to kill me out. They break my bone up. I got a job to feed. I got kids to feed. They break my soda up, take my kids from me. Thanks to that guy, one of those. He was my neighbor. He was my neighbor. That's right. Now in my heart, I feel like he's one of those who set me up, called the police on me, called this guy. He's wiring out at his door.
The guy who was
Of
shouting.
course, yeah. He was my neighbor. He used to be my neighbor. That's right. He's a devil. That's right.
I respect your opinion. Okay? Stay safe, guys.
Real bit.
Okay?
I will love you there.
We'll see you again. Bye.
Yes, everybody, and that's just like I said to you. Look, I'm just here, and all of that is just happening, people. Yeah, so it doesn't matter what town you go, where you go. People say, Ringo, this is a cooking channel, but this is exactly where I'm cooking. This is exactly where I'm cooking, and I'm just showing you guys the reality and the lifestyle of what's actually happening out here, and how a lot of the homeless people are actually finding it really hard and tough out here. Look, there's nobody out here giving out no food right now, and if anybody comes out here and give out any food right now, I guarantee you it's a sandwich. It's a sandwich. Yeah, I got some hot food to give to the people them today that's gonna have the nutrients and the vitamins, all the good stuff that's gonna be in there to build up back their body, to strive up back their immune system that's low. It's wet. It's cold out here. You understand? The people them need good, healthy food in their body. Yes, my man's homeless, but guess what? If you can feed him, like my man said, if you hold a man down, he's gonna be down. If you try and lift them up, they'll try and pick themselves up. And so what we're trying to do is pick up those that are in need and that really need their help and support, people. Yeah. So with the help and support from you guys, they've banned me from Croydon, but guess what? The mission must continue. 1 million mouths and even more must get fed and get helped. You understand, people? Yeah, we're all gonna do this, people. Yeah, so big up yourself. Thank you very much. Understand, people? Yeah, for being a part of my journey, for being a part of this mission. You understand? I appreciate every single one of you dearly. You understand? Look, as I'm here, look, I'm waiting right now. Sai and Lucky's just gone to buy me some canisters from the shop quickly. I've just given them some money. I've got all the fruits and vegetables them here on the trolley waiting to just kick off and start cooking, people. Yeah, so big up yourself. Yeah, man, our good vibes. We're outside, we're in Crawley, and we're gonna start cooking the food, people. Yeah, that is it. So yes, everyone, so big up yourself. Thank you very much, everyone, for our good vibes. Each and every one of you that have been on the movement, have been on the journey, one love. There's been so much that's been happening over the last few days. You guys' support has been absolutely amazing. I'm been in Crawley, West Sussex for the last 48 hours, so I've been so busy. It's been absolutely freezing cold. I've got an experience to share with all of you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy the videos and the movement of what's actually been going on. I brought it all the way to West Sussex, Crawley. The community there has been absolutely amazing. I just want to thank the two ladies that came out and provided the gas canisters for me. I also want to thank the lady and her son from Sierra Leone that came out first thing in the morning. You understand? Cracker dawning. You know what I mean? They're on it. There's some good loving people out here, yeah, and they came out to support for accommodated housing for the homeless, and they're doing it off their own back, their own organisation that they've set up. And also she and her son went away, came back with a whole load of breakfast as well. Do you understand? A whole load of breakfast. And I also want to thank as well the gentleman and his wife that stopped us with the shopping trolley while we was out cooking. Do you understand? Big man, big up yourself. I appreciate you. I didn't even know that's what you did. Oh, mate, one love, yeah. You understand? And it's people like you guys, yeah, that are on the movement, that believe in us and believe in the movement, and also have the love for him, have the love for humanity. That's the most first thing, is the fact that you guys also have a passionate love and care for others. And that's what this journey is all about. It's all about humanity. It's all about the unity. It's all about the strength. It doesn't matter what color you are, what class, where you from, what walks of life you've come from. You understand? There's always a better, and there's always changes that can be made. You understand? And I don't feel like no one should be penalized for the situation that they're in. Leave it to the Most High. But one thing I do say is that from you are not a murderer, from you are not a child molester, and certain hardcore things, you understand? People deserve a better chance. From you ain't taking the next person's life. You understand? From you're not robbing from nobody and all these type of things, and you're not a rapist and all these type of things there, yeah? Love must be shed. And you see the others? Left them over there, sir, and left them, you understand? Because nobody don't have to deal with them, you understand? A good vibes people, yeah? Let the love shine, said way. One love, a good vibes.